Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Proving police harassment is incredibly difficult, but it's not impossible if you know what steps to take. It's about building a solid case with undeniable evidence. Remember, harassment isn't typically a single, isolated incident. It's a pattern of targeted, intimidating, or unlawful behavior by law enforcement over time. So, how do you prove it? The absolute most critical step is documentation. Start a detailed log or journal immediately. For every single interaction, write down the date, time, and exact location. Get the officer's name and badge number. If you can't see it, ask for it, or at the very least, get the patrol car number. Write down exactly what was said and done, by both you and the officer. Be as factual and objective as possible. This log is the foundation of your entire case. Second, gather physical evidence whenever you can. Your smartphone is your most powerful tool here. If you are in a public place where you have a right to be, you generally have the right to record police officers. Video and audio recordings can be irrefutable proof of an officer's conduct and words. Know your state's specific laws on recording, but in public, it is a constitutionally protected activity. Also, take pictures of anything relevant, like physical injuries, damage to your property, or the scene of the incident. Keep every piece of paper they give you, including tickets, warnings, or business cards. Third, identify witnesses. If other people saw the interaction, try to get their names and phone numbers. An independent third-party witness can add immense credibility to your claims, making it more than just your word against the officers. Fourth, you need to connect the dots to show a pattern. One questionable traffic stop might be dismissed, but 3 stops in 2 weeks by the same officer with no valid reason starts to look like a pattern of targeting. Your detailed log is what will help you and a legal professional establish this pattern. Once you have gathered your evidence, you have a few options. You can file a formal complaint with the police department's Internal Affairs Division. This creates an official record, but you should have realistic expectations about the outcome. The most effective step, however, is to consult with an attorney who specializes in civil rights or police misconduct. They can evaluate your evidence and advise you on the best course of action, which could include filing a civil lawsuit. Remember, this information is for educational purposes and is not legal advice. Proving harassment is an uphill battle, but with meticulous documentation and evidence, you give yourself the best possible chance to hold them accountable. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content on understanding and protecting your rights.